dirt bikes.
Depending on your answer, kind of chooses if you die or not. Oh, resets. It's like when a girl takes off her makeup. BD. Be dead. Just ignore the lady with the knife, okay?
I guess I was nuking too many people and they must have took away my powers.
Little did you know, Mommy's leg was an explosive. Just shaving your legs real quick. Have no fear. Oh, a nice rich businessman over here. This guy's name is Mice. Do you know mice means more than one mouse?
Oh, weirdo. No, weird.
Okay, mice. That's annoying. Mice. Now, what do you think you're doing with that pizza? This is the police. Me? I'll name myself. I'm your mom. Shut up! Shut up! This is the principal speaking. Can I get...